Ever grappled with the challenge of aligning your team's objectives with their key results? Or maybe you've pondered on how to foster a culture of continuous improvement in your organization. Enter the PDCA and OKR cycles, two powerful methodologies that, when integrated together, can help you tackle these challenges head-on. Firstly, let's demystify these acronyms. PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act, a four-step management method used to control and continuously improve processes and products. On the other hand, OKR stands for Objectives and Key Results, a goal-setting framework for defining and tracking objectives and their outcomes. Now, imagine a world where the PDCA cycle is seamlessly integrated into the OKR framework. Here's how it could unfold. Step 1, in the plan phase, set clear and ambitious objectives that align with your organization's mission and vision. This is your roadmap, your guiding light. Next, in the do phase, identify the key results that will indicate the extent of your success. This is your journey, with all its twists and turns. Then, in the check phase, monitor your progress. Are you on track to achieving your key results? This is your compass, always keeping you aligned. Finally, in the act phase, adjust and refine. If you're not quite hitting the mark, don't be afraid to reassess and recalibrate. This is your steering wheel, allowing you to navigate through any obstacles. This integration of the PDCA cycle into the OKR framework transforms your strategic planning and performance management into a continuous cyclical process. It empowers your teams to deliver better results, fosters a culture of continuous improvement, and ensures your objectives are always aligned with your key results. To summarize, the PDCA and OKR cycles are powerful tools that, when combined, can propel your organization towards achieving its mission. Plan your objectives, identify your key results, monitor your progress, and don't be afraid to adjust along the way. Remember, it's not just about reaching the destination. It's about the journey of continuous improvement along the way.